Welcome back to our Beginner Crochet Series, 50 Original Patterns. Today, we're creating a simple soft headband, a gentle, easy project for new makers. For this pattern, you'll need worsted, weight yarn, and a 5.0mm hook. Choose a yarn that feels soft against the skin for maximum comfort. Let's begin. Start by chaining 12. This will give us a nice, modest width. If you prefer a different size, simply adjust your starting chain. Row 1. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and work a single crochet across the row. You should have 11 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Rows 2 through 48. Continue working single crochet in each stitch across. Chain 1 and turn at the end of every row. This simple, steady rhythm builds a soft, flexible band that stretches gently without losing shape. Add more rows if you need a longer fit. Once your strip reaches the right length, lay the two ends together. Slip stitch across both layers to join them into a loop. This creates a clean, flat seam that disappears beautifully when worn. To finish, fasten off and weave in your ends. Give the headband a gentle stretch. You'll see how soft it feels, perfect for everyday wear or gifting to a friend. And that's it, your simple soft headband is complete. A calm, beginner-friendly project that builds confidence stitch by stitch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cozy patterns. Check out the full playlist on our homepage. AI tools were used to support the professional production of this video.